Bike check. Got the Eastern Ace of Spades frame with the Eastern cranks, an Odyssey cassette hub laced to a Supra triple wall rim, Eastern Fuquay flyer, animal pedals, Shadow Conspiracy seats, old front rim, Miraco that I've had for like 3 years, still runs great. Demolition Momentum, tan wall tires, Prima Kamikaze forks, Colony official stem with the Prima Sasquatch bars, ODI grips, animal bar ends, and Sprocky Balboa 22 tooth sprocket and 8-tooth driver, and a half-link chain. Don't remember what brand it is. And it sounds great.